Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Alright, let's talk about the Aduana Kotoko game. Now, apart from the 10-man superstitious nonsense that happened on Sunday, let's talk about the game itself. Now, if you're a Kotoko fan, you'll be expecting the team to improve after the recent shortcomings, but it wasn't the case. The defense was poor, attack was poor, finishing was poor. This is Yahya Mohammed scaling through the Kotoko defense, and they almost scored here. Defense non-existent, the right back nowhere to be found. It was disappointing, really. Now this is another chance. You see, Ejimumbedu and Da Costa almost scored again. Two defenders sleeping there, and he almost scored. It was too easy to get access or to break the Kotoko defense yesterday. It was too easy. If they were better players there, if the attack was sharp enough, could have been a disaster. Now look at this again. You see miscommunication, and they almost scored. I think this is caused by the frequent changing of defensive pairs and defensive pairing, and it's causing too much problems for Asante Kotoko. Now, the attack was also very, very poor. Now, take a look at this. William Zabogu was gifted a chance to score here. Okay, let's say he dribbled and he couldn't pass, he passed the ball. Now, let's see what Sam Adams is going to do. He ballooned the ball. Then we should shift the post up a little bit. Okay, let's say he passed the ball, and you could have just settled down and placed the ball, but he ballooned the ball from Doma to Kumasi. Just take a look at. Now, Yahya Mohammed was having freedom to do whatever he likes. It could have been a disaster for Asante Kotoko. It could have been 4-0, 3-0 easily, because they were very, very off. Now, take a look at this. He almost passed the ball there to Yahya Mohammed to score. And the defense, everyone was just looking at him. Passed here. Ejimumbedu went for the ball. So it could have easily been 3-4-0. Now look at this chance. Look at this. Just take a look. What pass? What was that pass? Could have just passed the ball well for him to score. Wouldn't blame William Zabogu for this, because there's nothing he could have done there that would have been different, because the defender got there before him. But that was an awful pass. Now take a look at this. Just take a look at this. This is the Pem Da Costa, and this could have been another goal. See, he couldn't even believe it, because in fact, he called the ball for him to finish the keeper. Just take a look at to kill it was the defense. We're having a very, very bad day against Aduana stance. I'll take a look at the goal. You see, Augustine Okra. That's all. Too easy. It was a matter of time before they scored. It was just a matter of time, because they had a chance to score up to 4 goals, 3 goals. See how easy it was for him. Past Nate, past him. Simple. So I think if Kotoko want to go find the Ghana Premier League this season, they have to work on the defense, the attack, the finishing, because it doesn't even make sense. These players don't have the confidence to play in big games. You see in training, in friendly games, they score 60-0, 30-0. The player will score 7, but when it matters the most, they can't put out good performances. So I feel Kotoko, they have a long way to go. But let's talk about the superstitious nonsense. They have a long way to go, and a lot of. Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.